Hey guys, another week, another game dev vlog, and this week has been a little bit of a weird one because I tried getting back into work on some stuff during the beginning of the week, but things kind of got off the rails when I had to get involved with some other stuff, but more on that in just a moment. So at the beginning of the week, I was mostly working on stuff to do with wrapping up the new Everybody at Its Universe logo, which was based on some concepts that Chris was working on, and I ended up making the final graphic. We showed that to the alpha patrons, and everyone seems to be liking it so far. It's definitely different from the old logo, but it looks really cool, and it definitely has a similar feeling to it, just in a new, evolved way. But aside from that, I was also helping Minosaurus with stuff to do with the graphics. So a lot of the graphics he was making were looking really good, it's just they weren't quite looking like the Everybody at Its Universe style, which we're starting to really establish. So I kind of coached him on what we're going for. I made a couple of test hats that demonstrate the style we're going for, and the ones he's been making since then and revising the ones he had, they definitely fit the style. There's still some that need some improvements here and there when we go to actually implement them, but overall looking pretty darn good. Alex has also been working on a little bit of the graphics. He got a new spawn point done. Now the thing is, I haven't had time to implement it because I had to be involved with some other stuff. So Everybody Edits did come back online sometime during the middle of this week, and that was something that mostly Chris and Luke were working together on. And soon after the game came back online, we started to realize that there were still a lot of compromised worlds that were missed from the hacking, so that's where they would insert different obscene images. So as soon as possible, we got an update out to hide minimaps entirely across the board in the game, and I got working on a program to run through all the worlds and try to find which worlds are most likely to have images in them. So I first did the most likely process, which was based on an error that those worlds had as kind of signature that allowed me to detect them, but it didn't work on all of them. It worked on the first 6,000 or so, but that was it. So on the rest of them, I had to use a combination of other techniques, but at this point, I believe we've gotten them all. I'll definitely be doing one last pass to look over all of the worlds to make sure I didn't miss anything, but I'm fairly confident that we have caught them all and that the game should be updated to enable mini-maps again later today. So anyway, as you've probably guessed by now, that is the reason why this vlog is a little delayed, but overall, not that big a deal. So anyway, that is going to have to be it for today. So as always, I'm going to thank my contributors over on Patreon. It really is a massive help. If you want to check it out for yourself, the link is down in the description below. And of course, I want to thank the Everybody at Its patrons as well. So yeah, I'll see you around. Goodbye.